These are the faces of foster care. More than 500,000 children are in the U.S. foster care system, yet we have a child welfare system that's near collapse. Despite regulations, 32% of children have health needs that are not met. Allegations of sexual and physical abuse of children while in state care are widespread. Agencies fail to investigate these reports, fail to keep track of children in their care, and fail to find permanent homes. Without a stable home environment, education, or proper training, many of these children will age out at 18 and become homeless or incarcerated. With little public attention and lack of financial resources, that means over 500,000 children are being abandoned. Dr. Ron Huber was one of those children. Hear his story and learn the facts. Our Abandoned Children available now. For more information, visit www.ourabandonedchildren.com.